Hi guys, it's Foodie Tracker here. I'm currently ordering the Daba Daba burger from Macca's in Turkey. It's basically 2 chicken patties with cheese in the middle, fries and drink. It's all medium, and it costs only 15 TL, which is roughly $3.20. Bit of mayonnaise. Have another crack at it. Oh yeah, I like this burger. It's very cheesy at the same time. It's got basically 2 chicken McChicken burgers. The patties from McChicken are in here. It's very nice. The sauce is nice. Everything's nice. Also, got the cheese sticks with corn inside in the middle. Oh yeah, it's nice. Look at that. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.